Hello, this is Karen Ramsey of FeelFabulousWithFood.com. Thank you for joining me today. My topic is how I have been able to maintain my slim weight over the years, and especially as going into my menopause years. I'm now age 66, and I live the first reason why I've been able to maintain my weight over the years is because of following a whole plant lifestyle. Whole plants. I'm a raw vegan, but my first and foremost is whole foods. Because you can even be a raw foodist eating processed packaged foods. So that's my first recommendation, and how I feel, and I know that I have been able to maintain a healthy weight over the years. If you look at these pictures now, when I'm 66, I'm still wearing a lot of my high school clothes. And so I'm very grateful that I learned these powerful principles about whole plant-based eating and eating fresh plant foods. So that number one is key for maintaining your weight over the years. Number two is salt. I used to eat a lot of salt, and I noticed that I always had this weight in my stomach. At a certain point when I was younger, in my more middle years, in my 30s and 40s, and even going into my 50s, I still had some of that middle weight, because even eating an abundance of raw food, I was eating a tremendous amount of salt, because everybody adds salt in almost every single one of their meals. Well, we don't need salt. It's a refined food, and it's not a health food. Some of my clients have gotten high blood pressure from salt and other problems. It can lead to strokes later on. You want to take salt out of your diet. So eliminating salt is key. Another thing that I found out is that salt leads to overeating. So if you're struggling with emotional eating, it could be because of the salt in your food. And a lot of foods like chips, potato chips and corn chips, are loaded with salt. And that salt keeps on bringing you back. You can't just have one. And that's why they say that in the commercial. You can't just have one. You're going to keep coming back to more and more chips, more and more French fries. One of the reasons is because they're loaded with salt. You can get all the salt that you need by eating sodium-rich foods like celery. They have natural salts. So that's what you want. The third aspect that has kept me with this super slim body into my menopause years is the exercise that I get. So it's important to have well-rounded exercise for aerobics. So hiking is wonderful. That's what I choose to do. And you should only choose something that is really fun for you. Hiking is super fun for me. I love hiking. The other thing that I do recommend specifically for maintaining your weight is a rebounder, because a rebounder is excellent for your lymphatic system. And as you are moving your lymphatic system, you are able to release weight along with a healthy diet and lifestyle. So these are my three keys for maintaining weight, my healthy weight during the menopause years. Number one, a healthy, whole food, plant way of eating. Whole food plants, mostly fresh. Number two, take the salt out. And I'm saying eliminate it. You might have to do it a little bit at a time, but if that doesn't work, Get rid of it all in a week. Commit and be accountable and take the salt out. The third point is the exercise. And it's not only the movement, it's also the lymphatic system and cleansing the lymphatic system. Even if you start by getting yourself a very simple mini trampoline, it doesn't have to be the fancy ones yet. Just getting something simple that you can jump on, you can start for 5 to 10 minutes a day. And that already can have a profound effect on people who have weight loss resistance. So thank you for being with me today. And please subscribe to my channel, Feel Fabulous with Food. And I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. And please watch the video that I have here posted for you. Go to one of my next videos and enjoy that. And please put any of your comments below in the comments area. Thank you so much. And it was wonderful to be here for you.